In the heart of the Philippines, where love knows no boundaries, two souls embark on a journey of a lifetime. It all began with a dream of a love that would last through all seasons. The preparation was meticulous. As you can see, people had a bayanihan. In the Philippines, there is a tradition known as bayanihan. It is a beautiful expression of unity and community spirit, where neighbors come together to help one another. Today, we witness the embodiment of this tradition in a wedding celebration. The people help the couple from the preparation of foods and the designing of the venue. Along the preparation, we also interviewed different people on how they helped the couple on the wedding.
Hello po, pwede po maraman pangaran mo?
Ako po si Jojo Vivares, taga Santa Cruz, Bao, Kamusot.
Ay, pwede po maraman kung kaano mo po ikakasal?
Ading ikakasal ngawan, padihong ko. Tapos padihong ko, amo ang ngud niya ikakasal ngawan.
Kung sa nailing ko po kay iba po kamo sa di mga paraloto.
Di man, pero ako man ako experience na ukuan sana, dikit sana, pero nagluluto man.
Mga perang origraw po binanosay.
Subago baga naabutan ko sa tulong urig, tapos usad na litsunon.
Pero raw po tansya mo ka na mapapakaon na bisita.
More or less than siguro mga 100s or 200s araw gaya.
Ano po naman mong ikakasal na po binsan mo?
Siyempre, kung ako man agkungod na araw po yan, siyempre, dakulang kuwan man sa kuya ng expression na kinakasal sa simbahan. Saka, ugma.
Masa na po ito. Salamat tabi.
Okay, thank you very much po.
May mga ihapot lang po kami sa Indo about sa ikakasal. First question is, kaano-ano po nindo ang ikakasal?
Ang ikakasal po ay si tugang ko. Kami po ang matindog na parent. Si parent niya ay may ng magurang, kaya kami ng matindog na parent. Yun lang.
Second question is, ano po si mga preparations nindo sa kasal?
Actually po, si ikakasal, si Naning, si Precious and si John, sinda po talagang dawa, hands-on sinda na mag-prepare para sa kasal ninda. Haloy na, siguro mga January pa lang nagpe-prepare na katong nagpamanhikan, start from pamanhikan, and gabos na preparation, sinda talagang dawa ang hands-on. Siguro nagtabang na lang kami by support kung igwaman dikit na financial na maitatabang ni, siguro ito lang po, pero sindang dawa talaga ang hands-on, kaya aram ko siguro excited man talaga sinda sa kasal ninda, gusto man nindang maging magayon ang okasyon ninda and memorable din ninda malilingawan. Kasi sarong beses lang ikakasal.
Thank you so much po sa pagsimbag kan sa mong interview. Thank you for participating.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
na inaabot si Precious, daw yung ginagawa ko dito, susok si Bilbon, pero si Manilanyado.
From the Church of Saint Anthony of Padua Parish, where the couple had their vows, the newly wedded couple, Precious and Chan, proceeded at the wedding reception to be finally welcomed as Mr. and Mrs. Cabrera at Tarasanan, Camaligan, Naga City, along with the people who witnessed their wedding. The people had a feast as a celebration. After the feast at the wedding, the traditional pantomima is held, where it is a captivating dance deeply ingrained in Filipino culture, often performed during weddings to symbolize the journey of love and unity between the bride and groom. This dance, known as the Dance of Doves or the Dance of Doves and Doves, serve as a beautiful and meaningful expression of courtship, commitment, and the challenges faced in married life. The Ninong and Ninangs also dances a pantomima as the people, also called as alalay, pins their money for the newly wedded couple. Weddings are universally significant events that hold cultural, social, and personal importance. They symbolize the union of two individuals in love, often accompanied by traditions and rituals unique to their respective cultures. Wedding brings together families and communities, creating moments of joy and celebration. While the specific customs and practices may vary worldwide, the essence of a wedding remains a declaration of love and commitment between two people, making it a cherished and timeless occasion in a human society. Today, we witness a journey of newly wedded couple Mr. and Mrs. John and Precious Cabrera. Congratulations and God bless.